Can my landlord legally disconnect my utilities? Imagine coming home after a long day and finding your water or electricity suddenly gone. It's a stressful situation, but you might wonder if your landlord has the right to do that. Well, let's clear up what the law says about landlords and utility disconnections. Landlords generally cannot legally disconnect your utilities like electricity, water, or gas to force you to leave or as retaliation. This is because utilities are essential for making a rental unit livable and safe. If a landlord disconnects utilities without proper cause or following legal procedures, it's usually against the law. They are responsible for maintaining these services during your tenancy. If utilities are cut off because the landlord failed to pay bills or maintain the systems, tenants can take legal action to get the services restored. It's also illegal for landlords to shut off utilities to punish tenants for asserting their rights, such as complaining about habitability issues or withholding rent. This kind of action is called retaliatory and is considered a form of illegal self-help eviction. If a landlord needs to turn off utilities for repairs or maintenance, they must give you reasonable notice, usually at least 24 hours, depending on local laws. They cannot do it suddenly or to force you out. Evictions must go through proper legal channels, not by disconnecting utilities. If you are responsible for paying utility bills as per your lease and you fail to pay, the utility company, not the landlord, can disconnect service following their rules. Landlords should not disconnect utilities themselves. If your utilities are cut off illegally, you can seek emergency court help, claim damages, and demand that the services be restored. Some places allow landlords to disconnect utilities during an eviction process, but only if they follow strict legal steps and get court approval. Utility providers also have rules to protect tenants from sudden disconnections. They requiring proper payment and authorization before shutting off service. Trying to disconnect utilities without following these rules can lead to legal trouble for landlords. Remember, utilities are vital for your safety and comfort. They should stay on unless a legal process is followed. If you suspect an illegal disconnection, you have rights and options to fight back. Always check your lease and local laws to understand what's allowed and what isn't. If you're unsure, talking to a tenant rights organization or legal expert can help you know your next steps.